downtown Montreal after the fireworks. Here. Look at this shit. I was pissing in the alley. I was hoping to catch him on camera. Barry. Is it? No, Papineau. Arresting that guy. Girl. Look at that. Weirdos. Halloween. Look at that. They arrested that guy. Foreigner. That's for sure. Tons of people standing outside looking, watching the show. This ain't the show we want to have here. Have all the streets blocked off around the park.
Okay, let's cross through the
Because I'm allowed. Welcome to Canada.
That's not what she meant.
Well, it doesn't matter. That's how it sounded. Say what you mean what you say. Bunch of rude people down here, man. This ain't the Canada I fucking grew up in. Lying on the ground downtown with all the vomit, piss. Disgusting people, man. Look at this. All I smell is drugs. By that I mean cannabis.
Je sais même pas si je dis ça, je sais même pas si
Just for reference, it's 11/11, Thursday. Well, they knock everything down. There's some sort of protest going on. Yeah, rude people, man. That's what happens when you bring people in that aren't Canadian. I walk down the street cussing on the phone. All I smell is drugs, drugs, drugs. Yeah, I want to start jaywalking. Look, they can't even wear proper clothing. They're walking down the street with their fucking jeans open, their shorts open. Like it's cool that they're tramps. New Babylon. They cleared it up pretty quick, either arrested or let go of everybody. Still parked in the middle of the street, no lights, nothing. That's kind of dangerous, even though you can see them. I guess that's what happens here in this city. Don't even speak English, man. Well, they closed Papineau. Something happened here. They wouldn't close the metro if it didn't. Trying to stop somebody from escaping. My guess is... Toujours un bon soir à Montréal. Let me go up to the corner and watch them block off the Maison House. What? Ambulance? Something for sure happened here. It must have happened in the park because they have the whole street, everything blocked off, even undercover cops. It's an undercover cop car. It's funny, cannabis smoke everywhere even though it's illegal in fucking public. Hey, undercover cop car. All those people are smoking drugs. Alright, well, you guys got the after fireworks special. for this Thursday, July 30th in Montreal, Quebec at Papineau Métro. Je me souviens, hein, Papineau. Hey, c'est tough des fois ici à Montréal. Well, if you got a whole bunch of the people just watching, like it's interesting to them. It probably is. When you're younger, everything's interesting. Everyone's waiting for their fucking metro to open, but it ain't gonna open. They're gonna have to hold their breath. Look at all these police. I swear to God, if nobody got arrested, what are these girls gonna do?
Ouais, moi aussi j'en ai dans les deux. Ça fait partie de la job. J'ai demandé de se casser, on va
Canada. 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 Demande à lui si je peux filmer. Demande à lui si je peux filmer. Demande à lui si je peux filmer. Tu veux que je demande pour toi?
Non, le but c'est de
You're gonna tell me fucking no video, man. Go back to your fucking country with that shit. Enough is enough, man. It's time to take back our Canadian streets. So many foreigners here. They don't even respect our own fucking rules. I'll film all I want. What are you gonna do? Yeah, he's not gonna arrest him. He's just gonna let him go. So I'm fucking leaving. I worked all day. Some Canadians have to. See, this is what happens in Canada. You gotta keep that in mind. The government don't care about us. They don't care about what we do. They don't care about how our streets are because they're not out here at night. They don't have to drive through it. They don't have to see it. The news don't put it on. So this is what you get. Still Canada, eh? Fuck, I don't believe so.